this is what the modded elevator will look like.
That sounds like it's okay.
It's a lot faster. There's the old elevator over there. My panel came out of an elevator that looked just like this. These are nice elevators. It's a good mod. But there's the old elevator. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.